day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Crown Tech Online Digital Class. Now today we are going to be talking about how we can design an ID card, be it a business ID card, student ID card, any form of ID card. So we'll be talking about how we can design an ID card with the use of Pixel. Now first thing, I told you that anything you are going to be doing, be it business card, ID card, letterhead, what you need most is your size. Now to design an ID card, you need to change this size. Come to this size, change it to 500 by 800. 500 by 800. Now this size of your watch, this is the size of our ID card. This size of our ID card. Now what we need to do is to start designing. Now we follow up this video in order to get it properly. Now I want to delete this first. I don't need it. When I click on it, I'll click on the A, then delete. Now I want to design a student ID card for myself, a student ID card. Now I need to import the logo that I want to use. Import the logo. Let me import my logo. You know I've designed a logo before, so you import the logo you have designed. Let's wait for it to come up. So I need to just import my logo. This is my logo, a transparent logo. So click on this. Can you see? So I need to crop it because I don't like the way it is. Let me crop it very well. Hope you are following this video. So this is it. So I'll crop it. Now I need to add shape before anything. I want to add shape. Yes, this is the shape I want to use. Then I would like to bring it to this upper part. Let me reduce it here. Bring it to this upper part. I want to change the color. Let me change it to letter blue. I want to change it to blue. I'm okay with this. Then okay. I want to add my logo now. Now let me add my logo. Send to back. Send to front rather. Can you see? I've sent to front so that it will be in the front of the of that shape I place on it. So after that, your logo can either be at the right or at the left hand side depending on how you want it to be. Now I want to add text. I'll click on this plus edit. Crown Tech Communication. Can you see? So this is what I have. Now let me reduce the size. So let me just Crown Tech Communication. Crown Tech Communication. Can you see what I did? Can you see? Let me edit it again. Let me edit that again. Crown Tech Communication. Lagos. So this is what we're having. Now I want to align it. Click on alignment, and we have this. Can you see? So this is what we're having. Let me reduce it. Now let me reduce the size. This is to the one that is going to suit you. Then you add you add your size, your font. Now I think I'm okay with it like this. It's okay like this. Then just position it with this. You want it to go up a little bit. Now it's okay like this. Crown Tech Communication, Lagos. Then what do we need to add again? Let us adjust this. Let us adjust it a little bit. Can you see? Now position it. Can you see? Now what do we need to do? Just see what I'll be doing. I want to place something there. So let me just change the color. I want to change the color to black or yellow. I think black is okay with me. Now let me just position it. Can you see? But it's on top of that logo. So I need to what? I need to send it to the back. No, send to the front. Then click on that logo, send logo to the back. Can you see? Can you see? So it has been at the back of what? It has been at the back. I first send the logo to back, then send it to front again. So that's what make it be. Now the logo is now at the back of what? Now at the back of the line. Or if you don't want to do it like that, just click on this. Now this is how you can move it. Can you see? Can you see? So this line is at the back of what? It's at the back of the logo. So the logo is at the front. This one is at the back. Can you see? So that is the arrangement now. Let me show you something. If I bring this thing here, can you see? The line is now in front of the logo. So that's it. Let me move it back again. So now I want to add text. Click on text, edit. So student identity card. I want to reduce this. Then reduce the size. Reduce the size. Bring it here. Now you see. Then position it. Let me position my work. I've positioned it. Then I can now add address. Let me add address to it. Edit. No. I can copy that before editing it now. Can you see? Number 45 to Ogbe Road, Lagos State. Can you see? Can you see? So just that's all. Then we are what? We are good to go. Since you have what? Put the address. Let me reduce it. Let me reduce it. Then position my work. Always remember to position your work in the best way, as in the best position. Now I want this to come down. I want this to come down a bit. So we'll be having something like this. Okay. Let me just reduce it. Let me position it. Can you see now? Can you see now? So I've positioned it. Now the next thing is to what? To change the background color. Now the background color of an ID card should be what? Should be white. Now it depends on the background you want to use. Now let me change the background color. Can you see? Color. Can you see? So I've changed the background color. Now what I need now is to add my information. First thing is to add my picture. So I want to add my picture. Just come to this place. Click on sticker. The reason why I'm using this sticker is because I don't have any passport photograph on my phone. So this will just represent a passport photograph. Can you see? It represents a passport photograph. It represents a passport photograph. So it's too big like this. I think it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Now, next thing is to add color if you want to add color. Add color if you want to add color. Can you see? I think this is okay. Let's leave this color like this. Let's leave this color like this. Now you position your work. Position your work. Let's position our work. Can you see? Can you see? Now we have positioned our work. Now next thing is to do what? Put this in a what? In a rectangle. That is if you like. Oh, if you don't like, you can leave it like that. Now let's put it in a rectangle. Send to back. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So, and if you like, you may not put it. So let's leave it. It depends on how you want. Sorry. It depends on how you want your work to be. So I've removed it. This is just my passport. This is just my passport. Mind you, if you are creating an ID card for someone, you need the person passport. Then after you snap the person passport on your phone or anywhere, you need to go and remove the background. Sure, you understand? So it will be something like this, exactly something like this. This is how a passport used to be. So after you remove the background, you place it. The next thing is to add our information. Now let me type. I'll bring it here. Let me add what? Let me add color black. Then make it bold. That's all I need. Position it. I position my work. Can you see? Now see what I want to write again. Edit. Surname. Name. Now I don't need to bold this. I just need to reduce the size. Let me reduce the size. I'm okay with this. Now let me position it. That means this is the surname. Then next thing, edit text again. Can you see? Can you see? Now let's bold it. You add color, you bold. Then you add color. Now let me add color black. Can you see? Now I'll add another text again. See what I'm doing. Other names. Edit. Other names. Okay. Now reduce the size like the way you did before. Just reduce the size to like 15, 17 is okay. Now this is what we have. So please just follow the video. We are almost through. So the next thing is what do we need? Let's say registration number. Yes, registration number. In a school you need the registration number. Just adjust the size. It's okay like this. Add color. Don't do okay. So it's okay like this. So let me edit this again. Let me edit it. Let me just okay. Let me see. So can you see what I'm having? So let me reduce the size. This is okay by me. This is okay. So what do I need to put again? What do I need to put? Let me add text again. I want to add text again. So I have what? Registration number. Reduce the size. So let me reduce the size. This is okay. Position it. Can you see? Now next thing is to what? See what am I? Add another text. Okay, what's my course? Let's say computer network. Now see what we have. Just adjust it. Adjust the size. It's too big, so we need to adjust the size. Then we change the color. Make it bold. Let's reduce the size a little bit. Can you see? So let's position our work. So see what we have. Position our work very well. Now, all test. Can you see? Department. Now let's reduce the size of this. Can you see? Now what do we need? We need to add our sign, our signature. So we don't need any other thing, and any other thing you need to put, you know how to add it. Now let's put our signature. Now for you to add signature, the person will have signed, then you can snap the signature, remove background. Now like the one I do, let me import it. Let me import the signature. I did. Firstly, I need to sign on a paper. I snap it with my phone. Then I go to remove.bg to what? To remove the background. To remove the background. Can you see? Can you see? So let me crop my signature. Let me crop my signature. Can you see? This is my signature. Can you see? Can you see? Let me reduce the size a little bit. Then where should I place it? Let me place it at the right hand side. It's okay like this. Then let me write under it. The size is too big. Okay, it's okay like that. Now I want to add text. Click on this, edit, order signature, order signature, order signature, or order sign. Let's say order sign, order sign. It's okay. Then reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. Reduce the size. Now position it. Position it. Can you see? Can you see? Now what do you need to do again? You can add anything. Let's add section. Let's add section. You have what? 2020 slopes 2021. It's okay. Let me add color to this. Let me add color and bold it. Can you see? Let me add color. Now this is what I have. Now let me reduce the size. 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 Then position it. Can you see? Can you see? So I want to add text again. I want to add text again. What should I add? Section. Can you see? Section. Then you reduce the size. You reduce the size. Let me reduce the size. I'm okay with this. Then position. Now can you see what you have done? This is how to create what? This is how to design any form of ID card, your work ID card. You have a student, maybe you have a company and you want to design an ID card for your staff. This is how to go about it. This is a simple way to design ID card for your client. So you collect the person details, everything about the person you'll be needing. So it's very simple. You have the person logo, the name of the company, the address, the signature, everything. After you have collect the person details, so you don't have any problem again. Now what we need to do is what? Save our work. Let's save it as project. ID card, ID card, ID card 1. Click OK. It has saved. Now let's save to our what? To our image. Okay, save to gallery. Now it has been saved. Now in the next video we are going to be talking about how to create the back side of what? Of an ID card.